Assalamu alaikum guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to create the subscribe button link, right? Like what is the benefit of that link, right? Like sometimes we are sharing our YouTube channel link in social media, right? We are sharing them in WhatsApp groups, right? In Facebook groups, right? Or in Messenger, right? So what can be the benefit of it, right? Like once a person click on this link, so here are 75 to 80% chances that he or she will must subscribe, right? Here is the benefit, right? And how to create it, that is so simple, right? Only one tip, right? Maybe I will teach you this just in 3 to 4 minutes, right? So without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, I have simply opened the YouTube, right? Now I will write my channel name. Let's design together. That's my YouTube channel name, right? So here you will see a lot of graphic design tips and tricks. If you haven't subscribed, so kindly like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, right? So now I will simply open my YouTube channel. So simply what you have to do, you have to click on your URL link, and after clicking on that, I will simply copy the code which I'm going to use. So I will give it in my description. You can completely copy this, right? And the another step is to paste it that at the URL end, right? Control C for copying, and after that I will click on my URL, right? So at the end I will paste it, Control V, right? And simply now I will click on Control A for selecting all, Control C for copying, and Control T for new tab, and Control V again for pasting, right? And simply hit enter. Once I hit enter, so guys, now you will see what will be the benefit of this link, right? So here are more than 75 to 80% chances that someone who enters to your channel, that he or she will must subscribe, right? So guys, that's enough, right? And now we have to do one more thing, right? That will really help you to take less place in your description, right? So what is that? Simply I will open the new tab and I will open the bit.ly website. I will give the link of this website in my description as well, so that you can open it, right? And simply click on create. After clicking on create, and then I will go to the main page, right? And simply I will copy that again, right? Control C, select all, and Control C for copying, and then simply open the bit.ly website and click on enter long URL. Then I will paste my link here, Control V, and simply hit create, right? Once I hit create, so you can see the links been shouted. Now I have to copy this, click on copy, and click on Control T for new tab, Control V for pasting that. You can see it asks you to subscribe or cancel. So here are really less chances of clicking on cancel. So he or she will must click on subscribe. So guys, that's enough for today. If you have any questions, so you can ask me in the comment, right? So if you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get each and every single notification of my videos, right? Thanks for watching, and see you next tutorial.